This 5-amp battery tender charger delivers a strong, steady charge for 12-volt batteries in everyday cars, sport utility vehicles, and trucks without stressing the battery. Its multi-stage charging program gently brings weak batteries back up and then holds them at a healthy level for long-term storage without constant babysitting. The unit works with a wide range of lead-acid and lithium automotive batteries, from small powersports units to larger deep-cycle packs, which makes it a flexible tool in a home garage. Safety is clearly a priority, with spark protection, reverse polarity detection, and an internal timer that help prevent damage to both the charger and marginal batteries. The compact, lightweight housing, along with both ring terminals and alligator clips, makes installation straightforward, whether you want a permanent connection or a quick hookup. Simple indicator lights and adaptive charging logic make it easy to see what the charger is doing at a glance, while it quietly manages battery health in the background.